Just a really quick computer tip today. If your computer, whether it be a desktop, laptop, is starting a little bit slower, it isn't always startup programs. It could also be a bad drive. Now this would apply even if you have one drive or multiple drives. And the first way to test it would be to take a file and transfer it or copy it to the hard drive and see how fast it is. And it would be better if it was a larger file, because obviously a small file is going to go over there fast no matter what. And another way to test it would be like if you, for example, had two hard drives in your laptop or desktop, to disconnect one and then start up the computer. And all you have to do is disconnect the power to the drive. You don't have to disconnect the data cable because that won't really help. Just disconnect the power, and that way the BIOS or the computer doesn't look for it during startup. And if suddenly your computer speed is a lot faster than it was before, then you know that you probably have a bad drive and it's probably on its way out. And he might need to replace it or just take it out of the equation completely. Subscribe or visit my YouTube channel.